Hey everybody, welcome. Welcome into the fascinating world of binary options. Tonight, we are back. We have been on vacation. We made so many wins, we just decided to go on vacation. Spent all our money, now we're back. We're about to...
Something like that.
we're about to kick off this amazing new plan that Todd came up with. And we're going,
It's
all right?
like we always have a new plan. Every time we have a new plan. But I think I've finally kind of decided to settle on this plan because this is actually a good plan, and I think it's sustainable. And we also figured something out about the martingale.
Oh yeah, the martingale. You want to tell them? Do you want to tell? Well, I don't think we should get into it. Let's just do it.
Yeah,
But maybe. But first, I gotta crack a soda. Let's crack a soda. Okay, first of all, I'm starting with my wife's account.
Are you following me in your account or no?
No, not in my account. My wife's account is following you.
But
And
you're
that's
not
what I'm going
following.
to... No, I'm not following you. Based on this schedule, I'm going to do it out of just my wife's account and for right now. And I'm following you just in her account. And that's who I'm doing the financial sheet off of. So you have... I don't know what your account has in it. I don't even care. But what they're going to see on the screen tonight is my wife's account and her balance. So we're at 199.05 right now in her account. To clear level 1, we need to make it 203.25. That's what we need to be. So as soon as we get to 203.25 or close to
I'm
that.
gonna write that down too. Okay. So
Yep, 203.25. That's the goal.
Okay. Well, what's the starting figure?
She's starting at 199.05. And she needs to get to 203.25. That's basically a $4.20 raise in the account. And
203.25.
Yep, and that should...
And that's how much? That's $4 and something.
$4.20. Yep, that's it. So basically, once we hit that, we'll just change the bids and trades, and we'll go back up.
Okay. So that's a total of about 4 wins right there. If they were 4 consecutive wins.
Yeah, total about 4 wins. We're starting at $1.40, and we got to win about 4. Wait, we're right. We win 4 wins. Now, let's just
level is only about 4 wins, but we're going more off the dollar figure than we are the actual win number, because if we don't martingale that first win or first loss, then it may be that we need to get another win.
So basically, if you lose the first trade, then you have to martingale it. You know, if you have a win and then a loss, you don't have to martingale the next trade.
Say it again. If you what?
If you have like a win, you know, or 5 wins or whatever, and then you have a loss, you're not going to martingale that next trade. That next trade, you can actually start on a new trade.
But I thought the first one, we're going to let it slide. You'll only be a few cents down.
Right. I mean, if you lose, the first one you lose, we'll let it slide. So we can assume that we're starting fresh. So I guess, if we lose a first trade tonight, then yes, it's when you lose your second trade, then you have to go to a second trade. You know, like if you lose a second loss,
correct,
then the next one is going to be
your first one of 4 deep. So really, you get like 5.
That's exactly what it is. It's 4 plus 5. So, all right, let's begin. And you're hitting the button, and everybody's following you. I should be following you.
I'm hitting the button.
You're hitting the button. I'm following you, and we should be at $1.40.
You're following me. You mean your wife's account is?
Yeah, my wife's
following.
following
you. Why are you not following me? I'm just curious here.
Well, I'm on 2 plans. I've got a plan with my wife following you, and then I'm doing this on my own with my dad. It's totally separate.
Why? I don't get it.
Because you go to the bathroom for like 45 minutes, and then you go out with your wife, and whatever you do, dude, I don't know.
Go out with my wife, really?
Yeah, it's
never go out. We've only got to win a few trades each night. And this is, okay, look at Facebook and tell me where you think that's going, because I want to know. This is kind of crossed through the white line here, so I want to know if it's got potential to keep going.
Oh, well, Facebook is Oh yeah.
Eric's more gonna run some analytics for me on this.
Yeah, I'm sitting at a MACD cross that is coming out of overbought, and I've got a huge red candle. So if this MACD crosses in this next candle,
Wait,
you think
okay,
this is going to be a
1 second
waterfall?
here, yes or no? I don't know. It's already kind of.
Well, I don't know. You don't enter yet. Wait till the next candle because it's getting ready to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking that this looks like it
I mean,
could
it's
be.
kind of. It's only one candle through the white line, and now it's kind of going back up. So
Yeah,
but
well,
it's
I'm
kinda
waiting to
going
see
back
if this
up and going
MACD
back down,
crosses.
so it's hard to
I'm,
see.
I'm waiting to see if this MACD crosses. I think that this one is. Yeah, dude. I think in the next 30 seconds, I think this one is. I mean, it's hard to tell. The MACD is going to cross big time, but because of this candle, I think you could. I think you could
Are
probably
you
take
looking
this.
at it in both 1 and 3?
Yeah, I'm looking at both. I think you could probably take
I
this
got
next
10
candle.
seconds here to make a decision.
If you
What do
think you
think?
can, I'm a green light because I'm crossing down on the MACD. So if you think it's good, I'm fine with it. Oh man, he's ballsy.
Well, I'm in.
Yeah,
See
that
what
looks.
happens.
I mean, that looks like pretty good. I've got a MACD cross now, and my moving averages. And so I'm looking at the 3 minute. I actually think that's actually a pretty good entry because.
Well, it's going down pretty good. Unless it turns around, it's going down. So,
Mhm. Yeah, and we can stay on this one too because it might, even if this loses, which I don't think this is going to lose, but even if it does, my MACD just crossed and it's overbought, so the moving average is starting to head down
there we go.
towards it.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Uh,
Enter on the next one, or do you think this is a one-off because it's?
No, I think you can enter on the next one too. If this one wins, even if it's a small win, yeah, go ahead and enter on the next
It's
one.
gonna be a decent win here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good win. Enter in the next one too. I would say green light if you want the next one.
Okay, that's one win. That is win number 1 down.
But boom, 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 boom. See, I still think this is headed down. I mean, if you look at this, can you see are you looking at my screen at all?
I'm looking at my screen.
Oh, okay. Well, you don't need
Is it
you don't need to
selected?
look at this. You don't need to worry about my screen. It's still going down, dude.
It's kind of going up. So
no, it's gonna push
it's
back down.
kind of it's gonna push down, I think. But
I think
you
if this
wanna-
one wins,
yes,
even if
next
it's
one, yes or no, I don't know. This one is. You think it's gonna keep going down? You want me to take? the
yeah,
next one?
I think it's probably gonna keep going down if this one wins. Just be sure it wins. It's looking like it didn't win, did it?
It tied.
It tied? Oh, good. Okay.
It
Well, that's
tied,
fine.
so we didn't get a loss.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so I didn't enter again. So
I think you
do
could enter again at the bottom of this candle. I'm giving you green lights if you want. You decide if you're deciding on your candle pressure. I have moving averages still heading towards each other and cricking down, and I'm coming out of oversold still. I don't in the 3 minute. I don't see.
It's kind of got up pressure now. I think it might be over.
Yeah, well, that's for you to decide.
Yeah,
It
I
is
kinda
kind of
feel like
bottomed.
it's-
It is kind of bottomed out.
Yeah, I feel like that's it. I feel like that we got to find a new one now. That's over.
Well, wait a minute. Let me see what.
Well, I don't know. It's still pushing down.
I would go ahead and take it. I take it.
Okay.
I mean, I green light this one because it's the moving averages are still, like, it's still ripe for some down pressure. You know,
Yeah,
if
it's
you don't
still
want to take
going-
it, don't take it. But it's still.
I'm not
I mean,
convinced. I'm not convinced. I think it's going up. I
Okay,
really
moving
feel it.
averages are getting closer together, so I absolutely think it's going down.
think
But
you do?
but you well, I'm giving you momentum. The momentum is still in the down.
But I'm
downside.
looking at it from the angles of this sucker's pulling up, and it's
Exactly.
the
I
last
get
one
you.
was a red doji, and it looks like it's going to go up to me. I don't know.
Okay.
That's just me looking at the candles. It could push down further, and if it does, if this candle goes down below all that, then I'm ready to
Yeah,
get back.
you know,
in
you
on
might
it.
be right because my moving averages are about to cross in this next 2 or 3 minutes, and that usually means it's almost over.
If I took anything right now, it would be a call, and I'm not going to do that. But I'm just saying that I feel like this is gonna go up because it still hasn't broken down lower than that last candle. If it does, then like I say, I would get back.
Yeah,
in there.
this 3-minute candle, it usually goes down crosses then screams back high.
Okay, now it's breaking down past that. Okay.
And this would be a precursor. I just don't know. This, in terms of your 1 minute, you don't have that much further to go before it hits support.
It's
You know,
support down there, yeah.
yeah, it's.
See, that candle did push down in the last few seconds, but now,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's
Well,
got
my
a lot of
MACD
uncertainty.
crossed quite a while ago, so I mean, this could be over.
I'm going to assume that it's over and go look for something else because there's always plenty more to.
Yeah, this is there's no need to be doing this because the Mac. Okay, Apple. Let's look at Apple real quick, just in case. Oh no, Apple's got a real problem.
Yeah.
Apple is completely warring indicators between the 3 and the 1, so there's no way this is going to like waterfall either direction. It's funny because if it was going any direction, it'd be going up, but I don't think it's even going to do that. I think it's just going to fart around. I'm going to go find. I'm looking at what was that? Facebook? Was it Facebook that we were on a minute ago?
Yeah, I think so. I think it was.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just flipping through here trying to figure out something that looks like it might be doing something. What about Amazon? What's that? That doesn't have far to go before it hits the next support line, but it's also kind of at a support line way back there now.
Amazon might be going down if you think it's going anywhere. I guess Amazon's got down. Oh yeah. But the MACD hasn't crossed and it's not really overbought. Look at Intel. I have a possible thought that Intel is going up with pressure.
Okay, there's a line back there. There's a resistance line back there, and that's why.
Oh wow, Intel is going to go up. Yeah, there's a line. It looks like we're kind of late to this party as well, just in my 3-minute, but it still could go up from here, but it's not like massively crossed. It's just coming. It's just going the right direction, but not necessarily like super convincing. It's at a bunch of lines, like a bunch of them. So I guess it could do anything. I'm gonna go find one that's. Oh, Apple. Crap, Apple. Yeah, Apple's still really confused.
Yeah.
It's funny because Apple's 1 minutes tell me it's going to go tank. Apple's 3 minutes tell me it's going to go straight up from here. So,
Okay.
like, I guess if it's going to break.
What is Tesla doing? It looks like, is it going up or is it going to stop kind of where it's at and go back down?
Tesla's got the potential to go up from here.
There is a bit of a, there is some resistance back in the distance. See that?
Yeah, I think you could take this next one on Tesla. Yeah, I would green light a next trade if you want it, but I don't know. I mean, it's going to go up for a while probably. It looks like it's getting ready to cross over. That's
we're in. We're gonna see what happens.
Oh, okay, that's my gut feeling in terms of what I'm seeing. It looks like it could push from here up to at least that. I mean, we're at some resistance levels, but
That's what I said.
well,
But you were
yeah.
looking at like 5 different things right then, so I don't know. We'll see what this does. If not,
No, but I mean, I've got moving averages heading up. I've got the MACD crossing. You know.
yeah, it could still pull up. I mean, this could wick and then it could go up. We got 30
Yeah,
seconds.
it looks like it's down really far into 1 minute. Jeez.
It is, yeah.
But it looks like it's going back up in all my estimations. Holy moly! That could just go up at the last second, but no.
Okay.
Was that a loss?
And what do you think?
I think it was.
It's a pretty big one, yeah.
Almost. I'm going to give you the green light, but you got to make your own decision.
Well, that ain't helpful.
I'm going to give you the green light in terms of pressure, but if you think if you're seeing all kinds of other problems, then just don't do it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right. Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? I'm giving you green lights in terms of pressure. I mean, that still looks like it's going to go up in my chart, but
So do you want me to $1.80 the next one, or you want me to $1.40?
$1.40.
Okay.
Yeah, because we're looking for is Apple? Well, Apple's probably spent. Oh no, I think Apple was the one that I thought was. See, Apple scares me. Yeah, all right. Look around and try to find some that look great, and ask me what you think about them. I don't think there's a ton of great ones tonight.
No, there's nothing great. The one we were just on was probably about as good as we're gonna get.
I don't know. Maybe in the next 10 minutes, we'll find one that's going to turn around. No, they all kind of seem to be in the middle. It's cryptos. No, it's currencies. I was looking.
Look at USD RUB. Is this? I don't know if this is just gonna maybe go towards the white line, but it's up kind of high. Like it could fall a little ways from here. I don't know.
USD REB doesn't have upward momentum right now. It's not going to be fresh, like coming momentum. It's in my 3 minute, but I don't know. Let me look at it in the one.
It's. I don't know how far down it's going to go. I mean, it's not through the white line or anything.
Oh wow, yeah, and the 1 minute candles, that looks great. It doesn't have any indication that it's going to keep going, but it's about to double cross. So I mean, I would, by the 1 minute candle, I would green light a put on that one, but it's up to you. It's oversold kind of in the MACD 3 minute.
Overbought.
It's up to you. Overbought. I mean, it's up to you. I think it's going to double cross down on this one. It's up to whatever you feel.
Except I don't like how big that candle just went.
Yeah, I was going to say it's actually like almost consolidating. It's hitting a line right now. It's hitting a line, so it could just stop right there. That could be a double cross fake, basically. Which I think you made the right choice there.
I did, by not making a choice.
But it's also at 73% now.
We're not doing anything. Okay.
So that's why you're hitting the button.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That was well, and like I said, my initial gut was that doesn't have down pressure. It doesn't have it in the 3 minute at all. So I was right. I need to start trusting my indicators and my 3 minute. That's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you, that doesn't have up pressure or down. That doesn't have down pressure. Look at Visa.
That's the only reason you're here, because you're not even following.
That's the reason I am following you.
Yeah, you're doing all this, and other than your wife's account,
Okay, Visa. Look at Visa. Visa has a MACD cross. It's already overbought, but it's crossing up again. It's possible that Visa goes up. I've got some indication of some upward pressure in the 3 minutes in Visa. Like, it's at a massive line right now.
I see that, yeah.
So I'm not sure that it's going. It's not telling me that it's just going to tank up, but it does have a little bit of a MACD cross in that direction. It's kind of flat, though. But I thought if you looked at it, you might see something that you might like. It's like you're so offended that I'm not following you.
Oh, I don't care. I mean, I'll get rich and you won't. That's not a problem to me.
Hey, Dweebus, I'm technically following you in my wife's account. I'm actually following you.
In just one. But if you're so confident we're going to do well, why wouldn't you just double dip, you know?
Well, I might. Give me a couple. This is our first night together. It's our first date since we broke up.
So.
It's our first date since we broke up.
I don't think so.
Apple? I don't know, man. Apple's so confused. It
you
looks
keep going
like
back to Apple. What's your deal with Apple? You like Apple or something?
Well, it's got a MACD cross.
I see, as I look at charts, I see where there's some good, like, waterfall kind of things in the distance in the past, but I'm not seeing any happening right now.
Well, my job is here to harass you about stuff, and Exxon. Oh crap! It's at 47. And to show you where I think. Yeah, fine. You're such a rude person.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here.
We missed a little bit on Johnson & Johnson. It's over now.
Odd NZD can be turning around. Check out that and see what that looks like. Odd NZD could be setting up to go up. Here, about 3 minutes now.
Yeah. It's headed there. I don't think it's going to be a long-term thing. I think it'll be a one-off, like 1 minute trade. But
yeah, and it's only
I would not
for
get
me
in
it
on
might
it
be
yet
a while.
because in the 1 minute, if you look back, it's still it's starting to break out now. But it was and now it's just getting too big to enter in on it. But
yeah, no, and it's not. The MACD hasn't even crossed yet. The MACD is stuck like in the middle of the what do they call it? Histogram.
Yeah.
The candles. The MACD is in the middle. I mean, it's not. I think if the MACD crosses, like I'm talking the next 3 to 5 minutes, it could break out of that white line and keep going up. Now that I see what it's doing, it's possible that this goes up. It's possible it changes. I just saw that one as something that might come. But it doesn't have a history of really doing much. I need to find something that's coming out overbought or oversold, and nothing really is right now.
Yeah, not really.
Okay, we have to wait.
Odd NZD is coming up out of oversold, but it's not. Well, see, they're all very short-lived. Like Euro RUB, it went up a couple of candles, and now it's already hitting the line. So, that doesn't help, much when it does.
Let's see. Facebook's got upward pressure. Ooh, Facebook might actually be a surf, bro. You're kind of late now. It's getting kind of big. Facebook is MACD crossing and heading back up. I'm not
it's
so
almost
convinced.
at a line though.
I'm not so convinced,
strong.
but it could go straight through that line and keep going up.
Stochastic is already an overbought.
Yeah, that's the problem. And my MACD is overbought too, but it's crossing back upwards, and the moving average is pointing up. It's almost like it's been going up, but it's also been retracting. It's been like going up and retracting, so now this could retract for a while. I kind of hate that one, but it's like we kind of missed that one, but my indicators weren't really there on that one. This one could turn around pretty easy.
Yeah.
We're not doing bad though. This is actually fun, dude. I love this. In fact, if this MACD crosses and goes up, you have my permission. You have my permission on that Facebook to take a call if you think it's gonna keep going up. The MACD is now crossed and the moving averages are crossing.
If it breaks this line, I will. But
I know it's a line, so it's just I'm just giving you the 3 minute.
You're saying that everything back there, yeah, it's pretty much cleared everything back there. It's just this one line that's my concern, and so far it hasn't broke it. But if it does,
that's true. It just MACD crossed, and its moving averages already crossed. It's not. I'm not saying it won't bounce here. I'm just saying that it's possible that because the 1 minute MACD is also opened and heading up, and so are the moving averages. So, I mean, this one is sort of like, it's like either way at this point, I think. Yeah, so you use your judgment.
Okay, it looks like it is getting some upward pressure here now.
Yeah, how far is it going to go? It might keep going. Yeah, I think this one has. I think this. I'm still a green light on this one if you feel it. Only if you feel it.
Well, do you think I should wait for the next candle or go ahead and get in?
I'd wait, just because that's the rule.
That is the rule, but
I mean, it could retract real big right here.
yeah, it could, and that's why I didn't do
I think
it.
we just stick with our rule. I mean, if we think this has still got pressure, I mean, it's like, it's kind of up to you. You watch that candle and you think, if you think it's going up.
This is the 8th green candle in a row, though. So
Yeah. It's also broke everything, and it's all crossed on my end.
all right, I'm gonna take it. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna trust that there's at least one more in here. Of course.
It's the first wick it's thrown.
If
It's
it
still
stays-
very high in my opinion in the up pressure.
Mm-hmm.
It's broken its line. I think it's gonna push up. Either way, I don't know. This is why we have our martingale, because we don't really know. But I mean, in terms of turnarounds, why would it turn around there? It's like your MACD is up. Although that your stochastic is overbought, but mine's heading up. Come on, my baby. Come on, my baby.
We're gonna get the only red candle in this whole line. Okay, now this
Okay,
is
you
typically
gotta-
where I would take.
You got to go to 180 and do what you think is right. $1.80.
This is where I would take a put in my normal plan.
Yeah. Well, you still got time. It's $1.80. So this is our second trade. This is the second trade. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. I'm singing on the podcast. Do we have any watchers tonight? Oh, one. Who is it? I'm in my strange new studio.
It's more like your parents' house, but yeah. Come on.
Yes, it is like my parents' house. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You entered late, so let's see what
I
this
entered
is.
late, so I'm hoping it still goes down a little bit.
11. Come on. There you go. There you go. What a man. What a man. What a man you are. You're a manly man.
Boom. Okay.
You are a manly man.
See, now that put us back to right where we first started. Only down about, 20 cents? Something like that?
Oh, no, we're down. Let's see. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I'm at
We're back to
198 now.
1.4. Okay. Well, basically, we're going off the dollar amount. We got to make $4.20 starting from where we.
Yeah, I'm down $1. 198.
Now, did you see how I did that? That's my normal trading. That is my.
Yeah, I
trading
saw that.
technique right there.
I was hoping you would do it because I'm not going to push you to do anything. You just do what you're comfortable with.
So if I see a win, I'm going to take it. If I know, like,
Go
this
ahead.
is going to win. Okay.
I'm-
Although
I'm
we're
here to-
primarily looking for, but
Yeah, that
that
was
is-
obviously a turnaround. I mean, that was obviously a turnaround. And now, well, what is that
see,
chart?
I could
Facebook?
find those all night. In fact, I'm about to see something like that right now
Don't get all off track now.
on Apple. No, but look at Apple. Look at Apple. It is totally just tanking right here.
You need to reset to 140.
I'm at 140. I should have put
Apple's not really tanking. I don't really believe that.
no,
I
it's still
have
kind of consolidating.
I have up pressure and consolidation and up pressure in Apple.
Yeah, it is consolidating.
I
It's
mean,
not
it's
exact-
it's possible that it goes down. I mean, I don't know.
Well,
Apple's
it's
been-
starting to break out of that area, but it hasn't yet. And until it does, You wouldn't want to touch it with a 10-foot pole.
And it's also got a MACD and moving averages pointing straight up in the 3 minutes. So it's going to have to turn around. The pressure is going to have to turn around. Apple's been acting funny all night. I mean, I keep wanting it to be going up, but it's not.
Okay, now how far do you think Facebook is going to fall?
That's what I was thinking. That's what I was wondering.
Do you think it's done and going to start going back up? Because,
like for me, I don't know yet. I need to wait. I need more time because like it's possibly going to go back up.
mm-hmm.
In my pressure my pressure thing, it's possibly going back up. You know.
Yeah.
It doesn't show me any like clear signs of just getting ready to tank. Nor does Apple. I don't have anything like that right now. Let me find one. Let me look through the rest and see. I've been having a hard time. Oh yeah. Whoa. USD-RUB actually is about ready to cross. USD-RUB has down pressure. I don't know what it looks like for you, but you might want to look at it. USD-RUB has definite down pressure, and MACD is about to cross, and it's probably going to tank from here. You'd have a green light to take a put at any time, starting now, but it's up to you.
Okay, well, just before this current candle, there was a big wick. It's broken a little below that. This is a big candle, though, so.
Yeah, you do you, man. I'm telling you, you got down pressure.
Okay.
It's also a little bit jaggedy, so I'm not telling you to take it. I'm just saying
that is a massive candle, though. I'm kind of worried about that.
Mm-hmm. It's sort of like on your candles, it's sort of mid-sold. It sort of went back up to the middle. Now it's heading back down. Your MACD is down. Yeah, I mean, mine could bounce too, but I've got 1 minute before my MACD crosses, and my moving averages are probably going to cross.
A lot of pressure, but I'm also not convinced the next candle isn't going to just go up for a little bit. And if it does retract some, which, well, it didn't there, but
yeah, but you're on a line. It could. You're at a pretty decent line right there.
I see.
But if it breaks that line, if it goes down on this line, and my MACD just crossed, it might be spent because now my moving averages are about to cross, and it could just turn around. Yeah, that's not great. What was that? USD-RUB? Odd NZD, you have up pressure on odd NZD. My MACD crossed and my moving average is about to cross up.
I'm on a big red candle.
You're getting on lines, but odd NZD is just Yeah, you're already overbought, and you're at lines.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you'd have to feel that one out yourself. I do have a MACD cross, and I have moving. You could also be thinking about a turnaround. It might be going back down.
On odd NZD?
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it has up pressure, but it could be a fake.
And it looks like a daggone turnaround to me.
Right, that's what I'm saying. This could be a fake.
Crap. Dang it. I got that kind of low. I wanted to take that.
Okay.
Well, it was up, but...
My moving average is crossed, and it has up pressure.
I think I could still win it, but it was lower than I wanted it to be.
Well, it might. If it does a true fake, then you're going to win that, but it's like, to me...
Yeah, it's going to push down and give me a good...
Yeah, I was going to say this...
It's going to end below that anyway.
My moving averages are crossing up, but, like whenever that happens, it's almost like it's over. So I'm not sure, though. You had up pressure. Let's see, was it 16 seconds?
Come on, drop down.
Come on, baby. There you go. Come on. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. 3, 2. Oh, my gosh, bro. Holy crap. You're freaking kidding me?
That is my element right there, bro. I win trades like this. This is how I win trades on that kind of a turnaround. That's just what I do. Okay, so we got to
I
win.
don't think this is going to continue going down in terms
I don't
of
think
pressure.
So. What is the okay? So what is the actual? I need to know the dollar amount because I didn't write down my own. What is the dollar amount of your account right now, so that I know?
So
where we're
we
at?
have actually won. Well, tell me what the dollar amount of yours is.
401.14.
So I'll tell you how much you've won so far.
I don't know where it was when I started though.
I'll tell you because I'm 401.14.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was 199.05. Mine is 199.93. We made 88 cents. So 0.88 plus. No. 401.14 minus 0.88. You started at 426. 400.26.
Okay.
It doesn't matter, but that's where you started.
So
We're up 80 cents.
Okay.
We're actually up 80 cents now.
All right. I got you.
And we're on a first trade. So hallelujah.
Okay. Let's see here. What's going on here? Okay. Yeah, I don't know about that. NZDJPY.
So 76%.
Oh crap! Yeah, I'm in the. Okay.
It's kind of heading. It doesn't have anything. It doesn't. It has nothing.
Let me go look at some other stuff here. I'm gonna go look at commodities with Brent oil doing.
Crap. Apple might be going up now. I mean, it's heading up. I don't know. I still don't believe Apple.
Crude is.
Okay, Visa. I'm going to look around here. Yeah, dude, you see, I think that these 3-minute candles. Huh. Well, I mean, we haven't been on live stream in a week or two. So I'm glad we actually did a podcast tonight.
Oh, there's Alejandro. Hey.
Alejandro.
I just got over to the comments. I was looking at the screen. Hey, good evening.
Alejandro, Tesla.
How's it going?
Tesla might be going for a waterfall, bro. If it breaks down out of this line, it's weak but possible. Okay? I'm telling you it's weak, but it's possible.
It does look pretty weak.
It's weak probably because it's already oversold. It's already oversold.
On my 1 minute, the stochastic is already oversold, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's already down there. We got to find them before they...
Right now, tonight is a night where we're not seeing a lot of... It's not seeing a lot of those.
Yeah.
I love it.
All right, where are you going?
I was just going to sit on the couch and watch this. I got bored
Sit
of
on
my
what
couch.
couch?
The couch next to Mama.
Oh, okay.
It's in the big chair. But listen to this, Dad. You know Brentley?
Yeah,
He friended me in Minecraft, and now we can play on the same world together.
that's awesome.
We just can't communicate that well. I'm like punch, punch, throw, punch, punch, foe. It's very hard to communicate. But
Yeah.
It's fun.
What are you watching? What do you got on that?
Netflix.
Okay, that's good. I'll come out and make you something in a minute.
Wait a sec.
Well, that's my son. He's watching Netflix.
Apple is kind of like, I don't know.
Apple's still just, I mean, it's going up. It's definitely going up, but it doesn't.
It's kind of like doing a lot of weird stuff, though.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's going up, but it's not making a move. You know what I mean? It's not like making a specific move. I think it's just inching up.
Okay, new thing, Dad. I'm watching this.
That's YouTube.
Oh. Yeah,
That's
I know.
YouTube. Get off YouTube. No more. You're not watching that right now. Go find a movie on Netflix. Yeah, Apple's. Yes, sir. Apple is making. Is not making a move. But you know what? Visa is possibly. Yeah, Visa keeps doing that. At some time, Visa is going to actually go back down. Is it now? Is it soon? No, it's not.
No.
No, it's going to fake you and go back up. Wow. It's hard, man. I wonder, it's crazy. When we used to look at these only 1 minute charts together and we would just sit here all night and be like, there's nothing. It's crazy to look into the 3 minute perspective and realize that, yeah, there is nothing. Like, there's nothing that's lining up.
Right.
I mean, it isn't like there's just nothing right now that's lining up right. And that's okay, dude. We're not doing bad, actually.
Apple, though, is
Yeah,
getting
I
into
mean-
a good setup for a turnaround. Kind of. It's
Yeah.
sort of. Is there any lines?
I just don't believe Apple's going to turn around right here.
Well, number one, there's a big wick on that last green candle, so
Okay,
it would
yeah,
have to. For me to take it, it would have to go past that, and I don't think it's going to do that. And if it did, that would be kind of long, and it would make me kind of hesitant to take it. But
Yeah,
Think of
it's
it-
got the problem is Apple in mind has just plenty of up pressure. I mean, if anything, I would call it, but that's just me. But I wouldn't call it because it's not like it's making pressure. It's just kind of going up. I don't think it's going to turn around. It's just heading up. I think it's going to turn around up there. Like, I can draw some lines on this. Probably it might turn around up there, up here. Like up here, right
so
there.
right now, it's kind of either consolidating or it's going to keep going up. It's one of those two.
Yeah, it is at a little bit of a line. It's actually going to go up. I mean, if you think this is a trend surf, then you can take it because it probably is going up to that line. Nothing to me says it's stopping, except if it hits the line.
Except
It's at
the
a line
fact
right
there
now,
was a red and green candle right next to each other that are the same size.
and
that's
it's at
the
a
only-
line. It is at a line right now. It's
Yeah.
it's at an internal line back at 218, 19, 20. It pretty hit a hard line right there, and that's what it's struggling with right now. Which, yeah, that's what it's struggling with. I still don't see any like long-term down pressure, but it's
Yeah, I do. I mean, MACD is oversold, Stochastic's oversold or overbought. They're both
yeah,
overbought.
yeah, it could go down from here.
And it's going to go down, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, if that MACD crosses or gets ready to. I'm conflicted on this one, honestly, because it just doesn't show me any down pressure yet. It hasn't really turned around yet. I know that
It's nothing that I would get in. Look at Cisco and tell me.
it's going down, but it's
Cisco has broken past this line. It's kind of at some other ones way in the distance back there, way in the past. So I'm not
Let me
sure
look.
if it's going to go back up or. Well, I'm at my 9th day. I was at 120 last Sunday. I made mistakes and went down to 80, but I'm back up to 110 in the 15-day. So I'm just going to keep working.
Dude, that's good.
That's awesome. We actually worked out a better plan, though, that we can talk about in a little bit, but it's
On
less
Facebook-
risky.
Well,
Cisco
he's busting a move up to it, so I mean,
is Cisco. Yeah, you don't have to win as many trades with the new plan that we got. Is Cisco? Do you think that's about to break upward? I tend to think Cisco's about to go up.
yeah, it could go down. It could go either way, and it's been doing that. I think it's going down,
You do?
but
I tend to think it wants to.
I don't
break up
have
and
any
I'll-
indication that it's actually going
I'm-
to go up, other than
I'm
you. But
tempted
you
to-
you've got hold on because you've got warring indicators. You've got the stochastic might be turning, but MACD is completely wide
facing
open.
straight down. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean and all my indicators are going down. I wouldn't be taking.
I feel
a
like it's
call on
about to
this.
go up, dude. I feel like if I called it, I would win this because.
Probably
But
lose it.
I'm not going to. I'm just saying that's.
Plus, your moving averages are tanking.
now it's starting to go down. Now it's starting to go back down.
I mean, this is a trend surf on the downside. So if you do anything, you need to stick with the rule. You need to stick
Well,
with
is
the
it
plan.
breaking? Is it breaking all the lines? Back there.
It's
There's a lot.
there's a lot of
lines.
lines. That's the problem. This
The problem is the whole thing back there is jumbled with lines.
Yeah.
So it's can't
But
really.
if you think there's
obey
another, if you think there's another red candle in that, I mean, the only
I can
indication
try
we
it.
have,
I can try it.
I don't know, man. I mean, because I don't really have, like I said, I don't have like a clear.
Well, there's nothing saying it's going up at this point, but that's a big red candle right there.
The only thing that could say it's going up is the stochastic could crick right now and just go straight up for a few minutes. But then
You want me to take this or no?
I don't think so. Stochastic is too flat. I mean, I think it is going down.
Okay.
But I don't have like massive confirmation that it's going down. I just have the sense that it's going down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, now it's going up.
This is not the right chart.
Okay.
Look at Apple. That's crazy.
But this is also one that I would win on the uptrend. However, this green candle is not going to go bigger than that last one. But I do think it doesn't meet the criteria for me to enter on it. But
No, because it's going to go down. I mean, it might break up. But that's not our method. We're looking for a waterfall.
no,
It's clearly not a
I'm already
waterfall.
off the chart. I'm just
Okay, yeah, because it doesn't. I don't know. It could go either way. I probably just missed. Let me go see. Maybe now some of my charts are. Maybe now some of them are where I need them to be.
What about Intel? What Intel looks? It's way overbought. Intel's probably about to go down at some point, but
Maybe, but it's pushing upward. I would be more likely calling that one. But let me look at Intel.
is it going
this.
to break? Is it going to break the lines here?
Man, I don't know. Intel is hitting a bunch of lines, but it's also got all up indicators. And I don't see it just turning and going to the white line. But that one's not good anyway. It's not
Oh, it just totally retracted.
it's not good for me. I mean, it's not got, you know, it might be Euro RUB. Yeah. What's Euro RUB look like to you?
What does it look like? It's let me see. Euro RUB
Like
to me
like
looks,
junk.
looks like a big mess of consolidation. Like why'd you send me there? Is what it looks like.
Okay,
Like,
yeah.
both stochastic and MACD are both totally flat in the middle of the in the middle of the chart there. I mean,
Look at Tesla. See if
like
there's
if I
any
did
down.
anything, I'd take a flip call right now on Euro RUB. Look at what?
Look at Tesla. Tesla could be heading down.
Could be or it is.
Tesla's got down pressure. The MACD's crossing
Ain't
from
neither
above.
one of them coming out of overbought though.
No, not on your side,
They
but
were never even there.
no, they're not. That's why it's a little bit sideways, but yeah, that one's kind of scary. I don't have anything for you now. I don't have anything that's just clear down or up pressure.
Daddy, I want my orange drink now.
All right, I'm gonna take a 2-minute break. I'll be back. Hang with the people.
Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing because you see this.
What?
You know what this is?
What is what?
This that I'm holding.
Oh
on.
yeah. Okay.
It's my iced tea from McDonald's. Okay, but
All right.
there's also this. Okay, so I gotta pee because this one's empty.
Are you gonna
and that
pee in
was-
that cup?
No, I'm gonna go in and use the toilet. But this is good. I'm saying I've already drank 1.5 of these. You see that?
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go make
And
my
so-
son a drink, and I'll be right
so
back.
I'm gonna take a little break here and I'll come back.
All right.
and
We don't
we'll
have any like music to play or anything, so people just watch.
entertain yourselves. Yeah.
let's see. Watch this Apple chart. See what you think's
Yeah,
gonna happen
just-
on this Apple chart. Here, I'll make this
like
Apple chart
watching
really
paint
good.
dry. All right, I'll
If
be
it
right
breaks,
back.
well, if Apple breaks
Are you
above that
live
line,
streaming?
yeah. I'll be right back. All right, back in the saddle, watching the Apple, and I just got my son an orange drink, and it's been a good night. Let me see. I'll check the comments here. I didn't get the comments on. I'm out of pocket. Why not look at Haikishin candles? I don't know. I'm not sure. Good evening, Alejandro, and I'm glad to hear that you've been making it. 120 last Sunday, but I admitted making mistakes and went down to 80, but I'm back up to 110 in the 15-day challenge. Got to keep working on my MACD entries. Absolutely. Yes, keep watching. And we are just kind of tweaking and trying to make it work. I can't believe we're even able to live stream still. Apple's just not doing anything tonight. Ooh, maybe Facebook is time. Maybe it's time for Facebook. Oh, no, not really. Well, I don't know. It probably is going down, and hard for me to tell. Facebook is pointing down. It looks like it might be.
What?
I was looking at Facebook and just talking about how I think it might be heading down. I don't know, man. We're having an okay. We're doing great tonight in terms of our plan, being safe, making good trades, but we're not getting a lot of wins. Well, we haven't found any big waterfalls. I mean, I haven't even seen any big waterfalls.
Right.
Except Tesla might be breaking down. Yeah, look at Tesla, dude. You've got my permission for a put on Tesla.
Okay.
You've got 45 seconds. You should be at $1.40.
I am at $1.40.
Yeah, you should be at $1.40. It's up to you. Tesla looks big. It looks like it's going down. It could go down for a while. It could just hit that line and be done. But I think it's got good position to go down for a while. So it's got good down pressure.
Big candles, though.
They're big, but they're heading down. They're heading straight down. Got big pressure. Got MACD cross. I mean, I don't know. It's been down. It could hit this line of resistance and stop. You know, it's up to you.
I'm not feeling this, man. I feel like it could go back up.
Well, it could. It could. I'm just telling you where I find down pressure. That's some serious down pressure. Let me go find another.
It's still.
No, I'm telling you,
it's about to hit a big line.
That sucker's got down. USD/RUB. Oh man, I don't know. It's been acting funny all night too. It's got some down pressure. Is that Tesla? We'll come back to that because if it breaks that line, this one's not. Okay, that one's not right. Never mind. USD/RUB.
With no volume. Go to the comments.
Oh.
Alejandro has no volume.
Yeah, it is. It's Sunday night though. To be honest, I know Sunday nights are tough.
Can you see me?
What? See what?
Can you see me?
You're stupid. Yeah, I can see you.
Dude, I've been sitting here like this for the last few minutes.
I only just looked at it just now. But Tesla, dude. Tesla's. Let's see.
I'm looking at USD/RUB. It looks like it is going back up. What do you think of that?
It's a 75%.
It's at a line already, but is it going to go up to the top line?
It's a 75%, and it probably is going up. You know.
Why is it that the guy hitting the button never notices that? It's a good thing.
I don't know. It's tunnel vision. Tesla is breaking down, still breaking down. Tesla's like possible. If it breaks down through that level of resistance.
What are you looking at? I'm looking at odd NZD.
I'm looking at Tesla.
You're looking at Tesla?
Still, yeah, it's still going down, like I said. But don't take my word for it. Yeah, this one's got up pressure too.
What does?
Odd NZD, you're at 80%. You've got my permission on up pressure. I mean, it's at lines right now, but it's also
Yeah, that's
got
what I
up
noticed.
pressure.
It's at lines. Do you think it's going to turn around? It's at a pretty hefty line right there.
I don't know. I think it's going to break that because it's been going. Let's see. It's tried to break it, went down, tried to break. It's over. It's kind of in the middle,
Right,
but it's.
likely it's going to throw some red candles before it does.
I don't know, you've got all up. You're all sticking up right now. I mean, it could. It already wicked
I predict
out.
that this next candle will be red.
It already wicked.
I was right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, you don't have like
And now my stochastic is crossed.
the problem with the down pressure, the up pressure I see is it isn't like the MACD just crossed and the moving averages just crossed. It's like they crossed 8 candles ago. So you're well into the pressure. You know, so I guess I need to be able to tell you like you currently have like fresh
Like,
pressure.
I'm telling you, like this right here looks like a classic turnaround to me. Like I could put the next candle, and I feel like I might win it.
You probably would. Yeah. I mean, it's a big old that's a big old candle. But
It's coming out of overbought, so
yeah, but your MACD is also pointing straight up. But is it going to the white line? I don't know. It hit that second. It's hitting that second candle and fighting with it right now. See what I mean?
yeah.
And
I mean, I didn't take it.
It's
but it
fighting
just shot up there.
because it's fighting that candle.
Yeah.
All right. I need to revisit Tesla.
Okay. It kind of consolidated there, but you think it's gonna break it? Still, it's like hitting a.
Yeah, it's still hitting a line there.
It's
It's
hitting a
too
line
much.
there.
It's too much consolidation on your side. It's still going down, but it's not fresh pressure. You know what I want, dude? I want fresh pressure. I want my MACD coming out of oversold or overbought. That's what I want. None of this. I'm fishing now. I'm trying too hard to find something that looks like it might be a win. None of these look good, to be honest.
We have a comment. Oh, nice mask. Thanks, Alejandro. I collect a lot of.
His name is
Halloween stuff.
Alejandro, dude. Quit calling him Alejandro.
Well, an H is like, isn't it? Is it Spanish? What is it?
It's
I thought
Alejandro.
H, like jalapeno peppers. I don't know.
What do you
don't
think
know.
his name? What do you think it is?
Linguist?
What are you saying? You're saying Alejandro?
Alejandro. It's
Alejandro? Are
okay.
you?
You say it, then I'll say it, and you tell
It's-
us which one's right.
It's
So-
Alejandro, dude. It's like Ali. It's not Ali.
Okay, Eric says it's Alejandro.
Alejandro,
Alex is good. Okay, Alex. There we go. We got a
but
name,
it's
Alex.
Alejandro. It's not Alejandro.
Is it Alejandro or is it with a H sound?
It's
Is the-
Alejandro.
Is the J silent or is it with a?
Alejandro. Alejandro Garcia. Alejandro. Alejandro. Not, there's no H in there. As far as I know.
Alejandro. I thought it was Alejandro. I don't know.
Dude, you are such
How
a
would I? Well, okay.
you are such a Midwesterner.
Well,
Alejandro.
Okay. When you say jalapeno, which starts with a J, do you say jalapeno or do
No.
you say jalapeno?
But that's different.
With
See?
the J, no H. Oh,
Alejandro.
So is it a silent J like
Alejandro.
with the J?
No,
so now,
Alejandro. Alejandro. Yeah, that's what it is.
I'm gonna go with Alex from now on. Nice to meet you, Alex.
It's Alejandro, dude.
Alejandro. Oh
But
my gosh. Okay,
It's,
I'm missing
it's
out,
not
dude.
Alejandro.
Look at this, dude. Tesla. Oh man, that's that's kind of a jam right there.
I don't know, man.
I should call this because that's gonna go up.
Well, I mean, you're gonna get a. Well, I don't know.
Can I call
mean,
this? Can I
you
call?
do- you can do whatever
I'm
you
running
want to.
too late now. I'm running. I'm
What do you
late to the
mean
party.
1 and 2 late? You got a MACD double cross coming right now. I mean,
Yeah, but I wanted to
It's-
get it while it was down there, and it's gone up kind of far.
yeah, I don't know about that. I wouldn't be doing that. That's not a waterfall. I mean, if it's going to the white line.
Okay, but it's a win. I'm telling you, bro. That's gonna.
Well,
be
go
a
ahead
win.
if you think it is. I'm okay with it. I'm not going to stop you. It does
No,
look
I
like
didn't take it.
it looks like it's about to double cross. I'm not. The MACD looks like it's going to double cross.
It is. I think it will. See, I think if I took it right about here, I think I'd probably.
Yeah,
be
I would take it there. I wouldn't take it higher.
Can I take it now? Do you want me to
Yeah,
take it now?
dude, you can take it whenever you want to. I told you. That's why you're hitting the button. Just quit asking me if you can take it.
Oh, crap. And I
You're
didn't do
you're a
it.
dingus. You're a dingus.
Well,
I'm not, dude. I'm telling you, you can take whatever you want to.
all
I
right,
don't
well,
care.
You said I wouldn't be doing that, so I didn't do it.
I'm telling you that you have to. You have
There's
to
kind
take.
of some volatility to it, though. It's going up and back down, and I mean, I can still take it, but it's going down now, and so I don't know. So I'm kind of.
Yeah, I mean, I just don't know. I mean, you think this is
Normally,
right, but
where I would have normally entered is that second green candle. You see that?
yeah, at the top of
that's
that big
where-
green one.
Yeah. Beyond that, I don't know. All
Well,
bets
then
are
don't.
off
Yeah,
after
you
that.
can't mix it. See, we're doing this as a team, so we're doing waterfalls, and we're doing them with the idea that I'm giving you the confirmation of the pressure, and that has no pressure confirmation. In fact, I'm thinking this whole thing's going to go down. This is probably a fake double cross, in terms of my pressure.
Yeah.
But I don't
And you
know
might be
because.
right, and if it does, we can start entering on it. The problem is we're not finding a lot of those tonight.
But
so
it
we're
doesn't.
kinda-
It doesn't matter because it doesn't have that either. I mean, if I was guessing, because now it is going up. Like Apple. Okay, Apple is.
I'm on. That's exactly what I was about to mention. Is Apple? I'm on it. Is this going to go up from here? Or do you think
No.
it's going to start tanking?
Apple has down pressure. Apple is about to double cross. Apple's about to cross down. If you're taking anything, it'd be a put. But but you have
Right
this
now, it's
strange.
just kind of consolidate. It's a weird. Consolidation.
Yeah, you got like strange issues going on here. I mean, my MACD is in the middle of the histogram or whatever that. What do you call that when the candles are in there? The
Histogram.
It's in the middle of the histogram, but
think.
it looks like it's going to hook down.
Yeah.
But this chart has been kind of weird all night. Yours are like kind of warring indicators. Like if you're going to do anything, don't do this.
Yeah, I got
but
my
would,
stochastic going up and
Yeah.
MACD's going down. MACD's starting to crick up the yellow line and the MACD.
and
is-
I don't have a confirmation yet of
Green
anything
line.
crossing. It could be a fake double cross. It could be going up.
No, it is
See,
going
like-
up now.
If this in the next 15 seconds, I'll know if one of these is going to cross, because when I was winning earlier, it absolutely matters that all of these things kind of line up. I know it takes forever, but if we're looking for those big waterfall wins, we've got to have these. We've got to be lined up because now, like,
That is
look
a
at that.
massive candle. There is no way I'd get in on that.
This is just a crazy chart. This chart's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing. Okay. FedEx is at 73.
Oh
so that's
wow,
the-
American Express. Holy crap! Look at that. It's already at the top of the line, but look at it. It's already right at the very top of it.
American
It's just-
Express might be heading up.
Well, it is heading up, but the problem is it's like already.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, it didn't really show any real like specific signs of going up, and
But it
it's just been.
went up for like.
Yeah,
now
I
it's
couldn't.
gonna
Have,
now it's gonna turn because, because it's hit the top.
I don't know if I could have known that because it's kind of.
I don't know because it wasn't really long enough. It's.
Yeah, this is. Let's see, NZD.
I wouldn't take a call on it from here with that kind of a line.
No, I wouldn't do anything.
I'd be tempted to take a put from when it hits up here, but I'm not going to do that because it's just counting on a retraction, which I don't know that it will do. It may break that.
Right, it might.
So far, it hasn't. I mean, it hit the last candle hit, and then just
Cisco could possibly be going to the white line. I mean, I don't know. Not convinced. No.
not anymore. No.
I'm just finding nothing. American Express though. Yeah, if it breaks that line, then I think we can ride that up. Look at that. I've got a good position on American Express, bro. In fact, you have up pressure. You have my permission to take a call at any time. I mean, it might be dangerous, but it looks like, I mean, it's above. It's already broken. Almost
I'm going
ready.
to take one there, and we'll see what happens because it looks like it's headed up. So
Oh, you already took one?
I'm in one now. Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
It
there
looks
you
like
go. There you
looks
go.
like it's going up. So
I mean, it's broken over that line, and it does look like it might go up from here. In other words, you could probably, and I'll tell you what I think. In the 3 minute, it's just tanking up. So, like, and it seems like it would throw red candle at some point, sometime.
yeah, that's what I would think. But
But then
do
again,
you want me to wait for the red candle and then
no,
get?
I don't know. I think right now you've got it's above. I'm just all my signals are up right now.
10
so
seconds. You want me to take it?
I would take it. Yeah, you might as well.
Okay.
I mean, it's going up. It's heavy, but it went little, then it got real big. So is that a win?
That was a win.
Closed. Let's see. Okay, win.
This
Okay,
looks like it's still got a lot of up pressure, dude. It could go up.
yeah, it could. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
it's
saying.
kinda-
In my
It's right
scenario,
on the line. It's deciding what to do, but yeah, it looks like it's still pushing up a little bit.
yeah, it still has. It's above all of its support. I mean, at this point, so it's above everything. So I don't know where it finds a level of stopping. I don't see anywhere where it stops. It doesn't. Okay.
Well, this is going to be a red candle. That's why I said, do you want me to wait for the next? Okay, so what do you want me to do? Because this is going to be.
Well, you could just take another $1.40 if you think it's going up still. Yeah, you could enter again on this red candle. If you think it's going up. I mean, it's up to you. I don't know.
I don't think so.
I'm not super convinced right now. Like,
No, everything's showing down now.
okay. So you got.
But it
stay
could
out-
be two random red candles, and then.
I don't know. Look at you. You're overbought and you're cricking down now. So it's going to consolidate, I think.
This ain't consolidation.
I'm saying it might. I don't know if this is a turnaround. Do you? No, I don't think it's a big turnaround. I think it's sort of at a line. I think it's going to go up from here. But don't do anything.
I'm not taking any kind of action here.
I think it's going to go up from here because in the 3 minute, it's kind of hitting the bottom of the last 3 minute candle. I don't think it'll go down.
You don't?
I don't.
All my indicators are showing yes, but I don't know. I really
Right,
don't know.
but it's still kind of like got strong up pressure. I think it's going to start going back up.
We do have a problem.
What?
Look at the percentage.
Oh crap. Oh well, it just switched. Yeah. All right. Well, let me surf again and see what else is open. Ooh man, look at Apple now. Look at Apple now. Dang. Okay, what's Apple doing?
It still looks like crap. What's your fascination with Apple, though?
Well, now Apple's MACD is crossing down and its moving averages is crossing down. But it looks like crap. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it tonight. I just keep going. It's just the first chart in my list. Facebook, though, look at Facebook. Facebook could be going down. I'm talking about pressure now. I'm not looking at the 1 minutes right away. I'm looking at, I don't know. That's scary looking too.
I'm not seeing that.
I'm just here to give you pressure signals. Okay?
Yeah, you're definitely putting on the pressure.
I'm putting the pressure on.
Okay, Tesla is like, I don't know, Tesla looks like crap.
Well, Cisco keeps wanting to. Oh. Did I say what? Is Cisco going to go back up soon? No. I don't know, man. I'm kind of confused tonight. I gotta be honest with you. Not really. I mean, I'm not confused about my method. I'm just, these charts are kind of, they're kind of they're not lining up.
You know
real
what
good.
bothers me is that we've had quite a few wins, and we're exactly where we started.
Yeah. That can't bother you, man. We had win, tie, loss, loss, win, 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 loss. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we had 2 losses, and then we had a win. And we had another loss. So we've had 3 wins and 2 losses. And we haven't lost any money yet. And we haven't
No.
been in danger at all. So,
No, we haven't.
that's why I like this method.
That's a good thing. We have not been in danger. We haven't been in danger.
We haven't been in danger at all. So when we find a waterfall, we're going to get 3 or 4 wins and we'll have our level cleared. I mean, that's how fast it happens. Just give us one.
Correct.
We're looking for one good waterfall. We can't find it right now, but
See,
I
but
haven't-
then they've happened. Like, look at Alibaba. Alibaba had a nice one. Like, how did we miss that?
I haven't been looking at Alibaba. I think it's been in like 40% or something.
No, that's possible. Yeah.
Well, I guess it is open. Okay. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one had a big cross, and I should have seen it. But I don't think I was looking at Alibaba at all. It must have just opened in 80 because I'm only looking at certain charts that are. Yeah, it must have been. I think Cisco might be one to watch because I think Cisco might be turning around. This looks like crap in 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah, it kind of does. That's why when you name that, I'm like, wait, what?
Hmm. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, Alibaba might actually be going back up. It went down for a while. Do you think it's going back up?
Well, it appears so, but
Oh yeah, yeah.
but I don't know. I mean, Stochastic is already close to the 80 line, and then and it's just hitting the white line just now. So it's hard to say.
It's a big old candle too. But if it goes back up to its other position, I think it's going to break through that white line. I have up pressure. I have early indications of strong up pressure, is what I'm saying. I'm not saying take it.
Your mom had. Never mind.
I'm not saying take it, but I mean, it looks decent. I have decent up pressure. There could be like 6 more red candles after this, or 6 more green candles. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's going to go flat. Yeah, just hold off.
Well, I am. I'm holding on. Trust me, it's right at the white line. It is literally on
Right,
the white line.
right,
Now
right.
it's retracting the white line. I mean, I ain't doing nothing until that thing looks like it's.
It's been above the white line. So let's see if in 1 more minute I'll know if my MACD crosses, and then I'll know if
Now it's a little like, it's still right over there.
you've got a little crick in your stochastic, but that doesn't mean it won't uncrick and go straight
Excuse me, I have a what? Crick in my.
up. All right, it's broken the white line.
It just
You have a
sounded
crick in your
bad.
stochastic,
You
dude.
got a crick in your stochastic? Excuse me?
Look what it's doing now. I mean, I told you it was
Yeah,
cricked
and
down.
it's topping out right here at the top of that last wick.
Yeah. All right, in 20 seconds, I'm going to know if it's going to break up over this.
I tend to think not. I predict the next candle is going to retract entirely. Maybe
be-
not. It's pushing
Well,
up. I don't know.
You're
It
the
might not.
boss, man.
You're
the boss.
now it's kind of pushing up, so I don't know. So now it's hard to say. This could go up from here.
You have 50-50 chances going up. It's up pressure.
You want
My
me to take
MACD.
it?
Oh, you take it when you want to. You take it if you want to. I think you have up
There,
pressure.
I will take it, and we'll see what happens.
Okay, well, yeah, I think you have up pressure.
If it fails,
Don't take it if you don't think it's going up. I'm just saying you have up pressure.
well, it is got some up pressure. I can see the up pressure, so it's got. I mean, we have good reason to believe it could go up. So
I mean, if you're trading with me, I'm just telling you that in the 3 minute, it looks like it's going up. It's precursor to the double cross in my chart. I mean, it's about to cross MACD, and then the moving averages are heading towards each other. So it looks like it's going up.
to me, it looks like it's going up. I mean, I'm in
Right.
The money.
That's why I'm here for you. Because if you weren't looking at the 3 minute, you'd have to be thinking that's a big candle and it's at a line of resistance and it looks like it's
There
already
we go.
spent.
There we go. We're well into the money now. We are well into the money.
You could probably
You
take
wanna
another
the next one.
Well, I don't know.
Oof.
I'd wait till you win this one. But
Oof.
yeah,
Crap. Oh.
just wait till you win it.
Yikes.
Wait
Okay.
till you win it. Wait till you win it. I don't know about now.
Yeah, we won it. We won it. Okay, we're good.
Okay, I don't know about now though.
That got
Hold on.
hairy kind of for a minute.
Yeah, that got hairy, dude. That got real hairy. Okay, we're up now, dude. We're up by we're up by like $2 now. So yeah, I mean we're almost there. We're at 200. We only need to go to 203. So okay. So let's stay on this chart because right now it might fart a bit, but if my MACD crosses in the next minute, then I think that we might have more upcoming
Yeah, it
because
feels
you're
like-
still.
Right now, it feels like there's some down pressure. Like the stochastic is well into overbought and starting to round a bit.
Yeah,
So, I
but
think
it
it
could
could go
easily
down.
it could easily go up because look at your
It
MACD.
could, yeah.
Your MACD is in perfect position to keep going up. Your MACD is heading straight up, although it's got a little crick in it right now.
Yeah, looks like it's kind of
But-
going back down.
I don't know, man. The problem is with this, if my MACD does cross, then I think we can start calling it again. I know that's weird on your side,
On my side, yeah, definitely.
but this could just be like, look, it went up 4 candles down there, had 2 red ones, then it went up red, green, then it went up green. I mean, it could have, and right now where it's at in this, it's kind of in a line of consolidation, like right here. It's,
T is good, bro. T is good.
are you talking to me or Alejandro or Alex?
Alex, I'm talking to Alex.
Okay.
Okay, so that candle ended up going green in the 1 minute.
Yeah, I
10
see
seconds
that.
left. It's big, it's got a big
Just-
wick at the bottom.
Yeah, just wait, because
But
I gotta
I'm
see
not
if.
entering. Heck
Yeah,
no, I'm not entering.
wait. My MACD hasn't
Oh, it
crossed
ended
yet.
red. It ended as a red doji.
Okay, my MACD is just not
But
crossing.
now my stochastic is totally curved down. So
Yeah, I kind of think this is actually going to go down. I think it's a fake MACD cross. I think it's heading back down for a while. Not that you should do anything, but it's also at 77% now.
well, glad you're keeping an eye on that because I didn't see that.
Well, also, I like you hitting the button because you're very reserved.
Yeah. I try.
Audiency. No, it's not.
Okay, why does my screen randomly not let me scroll back?
I don't know.
Okay. What's happening with Apple? It looks like it's going up, but it's got, a little.
So cheese. Yeah, I mean it's
I feel like I could call it with this candle right now being red.
at a massive line. I mean,
Yeah, it probably is. But I can't. It won't let me scroll back, so I'm trusting you to find it.
Apple. Oh. Hold on. Yeah.
You've already got a line marked somewhere in that area. So.
It's at that line. That's the line it's at, and that's a massive line. And now I would do nothing. Apple's just we haven't.
Well, now it's going down, so I don't.
Yeah. Facebook. I'd say we're doing pretty good for the way these charts are looking tonight.
Yeah, we're not doing bad. I mean,
We're up to a couple dollars away from our first level.
Yeah. We're like two. Are we 2 wins away, or what? 3?
Well, maybe like 3. I don't know if we're gonna get it tonight. I don't know. All right, Amazon. I don't know. I'm just fishing now. This is not good. Never mind. I'm fishing for one of those
I
wins.
don't know that we'll find a. Don't know if we'll find a
Like
big
a
old
breakout downtrend.
breakout. Yeah, I don't know.
That's what we kind of need.
Yeah. Okay, what about Intel? What's Intel looking like to you? I know it's consolidating, but
It's like, I think it's going down, but it's consolidating and it's at 78%.
oh crap. Yeah.
American Express might be going down. You look at it and tell me. You've got some possible down pressure on American Express. Just hit the white
Hey, look
line.
at silver. Look at silver.
Okay, hit the white line and it's going down. Silver might be going up. I mean, it crossed and it's kind of flat, but I mean, if you think it's heading up, I mean,
I can't see the line back there. I can't scroll back for some odd reason.
you don't have a line back there with silver, dude. It's where?
So should I call it on this red candle, you think? Or do you think it's turning around?
I don't think it's turning around. I think it's going up, but I'm not looking at your chart. Yeah, I mean, you could have called that. It's going up.
It's still going back and forth.
You could wait till it ends. I mean, see how it's kind of doji and then it's hitting green, doji and hitting green. I think you're.
Yeah, I should call it while it's red.
I think just wait till it ends here.
Or you think I should?
I don't know what you ask me for. You can call it if
Making
you're going to
sure we're
call
in
it.
agreement. I don't know that it's going to keep going up. I mean,
Well, then don't call it. Don't do anything.
There, it's going up.
You knew it was going up, so why didn't you just call it?
I don't know.
But
Because
I told you.
Really.
I told you I had up pressure. I'm telling you, yes, I have up pressure. It's probably going up. I'm giving you. That's all the confirmation I can give you. I can't tell you.
Got up pressure. That don't mean I call them.
If I tell you it's got up pressure, dude, then that means it's going up. The MACD crossed. You could even probably
Okay.
call it now.
Gotcha.
I mean,
I got you.
don't call it now. Just wait till the end of this candle. It's probably going to dip back down. You know, you want to get a good position on it, but you could also wait till the end of this candle and see what happened. The MACD crossed. It's heading up. It's got 4 green candles in the 3 minutes, so it's been going up for quite a long time. It's starting to creep down now.
It's like turning down. So
Yeah, it's starting to creep
but
down. Let me
everything's
see.
like way oversold. So
Yeah, it's dangerous. Let's see. It's kind of like one of those things with these. You're going to have to call them when they get
this
down.
is a put right now. If I did anything,
Well, it's consolidation and it's still got up pressure. But it's
Yeah.
not got a ton of up pressure. It's not got a ton of any pressure. It's other than up pressure. The only thing that we can see historically is it's been going up a long time.
right?
And it's got no lines of resistance. But yeah, now it's acting funny, so I don't know. I say do nothing because I don't have any big confirmation. I do think that we
I would
can
have been winning in a put right now, though.
Well,
I don't put ice on my sugar either,
American Express is going down.
and I only drink iced tea.
I can tell you have down pressure in American Express.
Okay. You want me to act accordingly?
I mean, I'd be putting American Express, but you have to look and see what you want to do with it. It
I
looks
also
like
see that it's at a pretty strong line.
I'd wait till it goes up because it's consolidated. If it goes green
Yeah.
and gets to the top of that red candle, then you've got a good put. The MACD is crossed. The moving average is pushing down. I mean, in my 3-minute method, I would be putting it, but I'm telling you what I would be doing in my method. It's oversold, it's overbought, and it's forcing down. In a minute and a half, the moving averages are going to cross. I don't know because it's at a line and it's sort of at a bottom. I would wait till it gets. If it ends green up here, I would put it.
See, my stochastic is cricking up.
Yeah, right. I still think this is going to go down. But you could take the flip-flop on this because it's probably going down. It's up to you, though. If you don't feel it, don't do it.
I'm not sure. It's going both ways.
I got to wait and see when it ends.
It's going
okay.
up right now.
It already ended, and it didn't cross, so...
And it's at
might have been early.
78%. Screw this.
Okay. I wonder why it's not going down. It should be going down.
It should be.
It's almost certainly going down in my mind. But like when it's going down is a question. Like if this ends, yeah, look, you've got a good put. You could put this candle in.
It's a red candle.
I know, but it's going down. It's you got down. I'm saying you have down pressure. You have
Are you
confirmed
in a
down
1
pressure.
minute there?
Yeah, I'm looking at 1 minute. I know it's risky, but you've got confirmed down pressure on everything. But yeah, but look at that. Look at that crap.
Yeah. Okay, so what chart are you on now?
American Express.
It went to 78%.
Oh, it went to 72%.
Yeah, why are you living in the past? I'm living in the now.
Okay, good. Well, that chart is totally not right, bro. That was juking. That chart totally just juked me.
Didn't juke me. Didn't do crap to me.
Okay, Apple is got down pressure. I'm almost thinking like you can't listen to me anymore. Apple's got down pressure. It's at a white line. The MACD is going to cross over in a couple minutes. It might go down. I'm saying it might, but it's possible. But it's already spent, so no, it's not going down. Is it going down? Look at Apple.
Well, the stochastic has already totally curved all the way down to the 20. It's already the blue line is past the 20. The orange line the orange line is.
But in
both
a big
lines are
waterfall,
past.
doesn't that happen? I mean, it can keep going, right? It can stay.
Yeah, I can get going.
Oh yeah. Like in a big waterfall, it gets down there and it stays down there. Boom, 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 boom. Because the MACD is in perfect position for that. And I've got the MACD.
But it is just now past the white line, so it's hard to say that it's going to keep going. We don't know yet.
Yeah, you're right. I don't have a confirmed cross on the MACD. So if you give me a couple more
all
minutes.
the way back up. It's like consolidation type candle now.
Yeah. Give me a couple minutes. Give me like a minute or two, and I'll tell you if my MACD crosses and if it's actually going to start going down. Because if it does, it's going to go down to that bottom resistance line. It's going to go down a bit. It's got a big way to go. You could win 4 or 5 trades on this if it is going to turn down. But I don't know. The MACD would have to keep going down.
Well,
And
see, it's kind of doing both. It's pulling
Historically,
back up
this
and-
chart has not been following much of the rules
No.
tonight. Usually Apple's a good chart to win on. Right now, I've got MACD setting up for a cross. It's possible that it's going to cross in this next candle. It did almost cross here, and then it faked. 415. Huh. Yeah, I thought it was going down before too. But it's been going down for a good amount of time. The MACD is kind of flat up on the top.
What about Intel? What's Intel doing on your?
Give me 1 second.
Intel is going up to. It's touching the white line right now. Just
Okay,
the
well, give me a
curve
minute
up,
because I think in 5 seconds I'm going to tell you if I got a MACD confirmation or not.
on what? No.
On Apple. I have my MACD confirmation on Apple. And Apple is heading to... Yeah, I don't know if it's heading to the white line or not.
Apple?
Yeah. Or heading down. I don't... It's broke the white line. And
Well, Apple's been going red, green, red, green. I mean,
yeah, Apple's messed up.
it looks like it's going down now. It does, but
Yeah, I was saying if you're
it's
into
kind of
Apple,
doing a little bit of everything, dude.
Apple is, yeah, I think Apple's just not.
It's very volatile, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, it did give me a cross, but the last time it did that, it also faked and went right back up. Apple could literally just go straight back up from here. It could go straight down or straight up, and I'm not sure. Look at Amazon and tell me. I'm about to get a confirmed cross on Amazon. You might have down pressure on Amazon.
Okay.
Yeah, you've got down pressure on Amazon. You've got my permission to be taking a put anytime you want. I mean, anytime you want.
Okay, I just took one, so we'll see what happens.
Okay, when I said anytime you want, I meant like
You told me anytime.
anytime you want, baby. Anytime you want. Yeah, I was looking at it. I was like thinking it crossed down. It's got
It's
massive
going down.
pressure.
It keeps going back up, but it's going
Yeah,
down.
it's
up.
going down, going down, going down, going down.
There it goes.
It's got down pressure. I do think that'll
It's
be a
got both.
win.
It's going. It's now it's out
Well,
of
your
the
1
money,
minute
in the
has
money.
both. Your 1 minute has both, but my chart has down pressure. It has mostly.
Now it's
It's
out
mostly.
of the money, and then it's been going into the money. Now it's going way out of the money.
Crap. There you go. Come on. 15 seconds. I'm about to get a cross down on the MACD on this one, so you have to use your mind. And then stay at 140.
Stay at 140, or you want me to go 150, 180?
No, you stay at 140.
Okay. Well, that was a loss.
Okay. Well, we're still up, so stay at
You
140.
want me to still take a put, or what do you want me to do? You want me to get off this chart?
I want you to look at it and think. I think it's got down pressure. I think I'm about to, in 30 seconds, I'll know if this MACD crosses and if it's going to start going down. But what do you think it's going to do? It looks like it's going to go down from here.
It's been
because-
going both ways, and that's why. I mean, it's at a line. There's a line back there in the past of it, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Hold on a minute. Just give it
It's
10
just-
seconds.
I don't know.
That candle's just janky.
I probably wouldn't have taken that other than.
You can take another put anytime you want. Like anytime you feel like if it bounces or whatever you feel like it, or if it gives like the next candle, look at it and tell me, because I've got MACD down pressure confirmation now. But you have to look at it and think, is it going down? Right now, it looks like it might consolidate in your method, in your candles. But I think overall it's going to go down.
That does no good.
Well,
That
I'm
is
saying,
that is not helpful.
I'm saying that you have long-term down pressure building in this chart.
Mm-hmm.
So if you think that it's going to go down, if you don't think it's going down, then don't do anything. You think, and right now it's kind of consolidating. You got your MACD, you got your stochastic kicking up. Let me watch. It's got this. It's kind of at a, I wouldn't do anything on this yet. Except if it breaks. Let's see. Now it's completely warring indicators at this point. It's a giant green candle.
Look at Netflix and tell me if it's at any kind of a line.
Is that Amazon? Way back there. I'm talking like 10 hours ago. getting ready to get to a line, but you've got it clearly going up. Is it going up in your chart?
The MACD and stochastic are way oversold, way overbought. So
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna go back down. Maybe.
looks like I could probably put it pretty soon, but
Yeah, I mean, you're getting, like, a long time ago, the highest it was, it's almost there. Like, I'll draw the line for you. But it's way back. It's too far back to scroll in the 1 minute because it's like 24 hours ago. But the MACD in the 3 minutes overbought. You're kind of overbought. It's pointing up and it's overbought. I could see it turning around. Maybe. Crap. I was going to talk to you about Apple again, and I decided not to.
okay, good. This is still kind of going up. But
Was Amazon the one we lost on a minute ago? Yeah. Huh. I think Amazon is actually getting ready to break down. I know it's kind of be hard for you to feel that, but probably doesn't look like much to you.
I'm thinking about taking a put on Netflix, but like the MACD is about to cross. Do you care if I do?
No. I mean, if you
I decided not to because it kind of retracted.
if you think you're going to win, I mean, it's sideways as all get out.
It is, but I had a good reason for it up until that last little bit. So I hesitated because I saw that it was starting to retract. But for the longest time, it was just pushing down, and it was. Now I think eventually it's going down. I don't think it's going to keep going up. It's consolidating sideways, but this is one where I feel like if I, especially from up here, unless it's just going to start going back up. Now, if it breaks out and ends up here, then I guess we're probably good to keep calling it. But I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know. I know Amazon, dang it. Is that the one that I'm not supposed to be looking at? No, Amazon's okay, right?
Apple is probably the one you probably should just lay off of.
Amazon finally kind of broke and went down like I thought it was going to.
Look at Netflix, dude. Ah, crap. I was about to call that there, but I don't know.
Yeah, Netflix. I mean, Netflix has got basically just long up pressure in my chart. It's not going down. It's above all of its. I mean, you could probably call this next candle if you think it's going. It pushed up. I
It's
don't know.
retracted a lot. That scares me.
Yeah, but it's got pressure. Yeah, it's hard to tell because
There we go. I called it. We'll see what it does here. I think it's going up. I mean, everything shows that it's going up. So
Yeah, my candles are like just stair stepping up every 3 minutes, or just stair stepping. So, yeah, that's a pretty good stair step right there. 112.
it was going sideways for a while, but now it seems to be, just stepping up. So
Yeah, you're right. It did kind of go into this kind of little sideways motion, and then it kind of jumped up. Is it going to be another win? Do you want another one? I have up pressure. I'm fine with another one. I think it's probably going up from here. I don't know. It's pretty good amount of up pressure. There's your win, dude. Boom.
okay, I just took another call
Oh,
on it,
did you?
so we'll see what happens. This one's got a little bit more retraction than the last one.
Might wick out. Okay, so wins.
But it's still got up pressure, so we'll see what happens with it. And my line is a bit lower than the candle because I waited a few seconds after it started. So
I saw that. It's a little. Come
So-
on now.
so even if it's a little bit of a it's
Doji.
just even slightly in, it'll be.
I mean, this is a true trend surf. I mean, this is literally like call every candle as they're going up. I mean, and this could have like 8 more red. This could have like eight green candles right here.
It could.
We don't really know. It's been kind of sporadic, but it's also been heading up for a long time. Oh, come on. There you go.
Oh yeah,
There
we
you go.
want it. Do you want me to
All
take another one, or you want me to hold off?
Let's wait. I don't know. Let's
Okay, well we're up a little bit.
201.61. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we only got to get to 203, dude. We only need a
What
couple
are you
more
at
wins.
now?
201.61. We're only $1.50. Like we're only $2 away.
So we're still 2 wins away.
That's okay though.
But we've been safe the whole time. That's been the beauty of it.
Yeah, dude. I mean, think about it. We have a win, a tie, a loss, a loss, a win, a win, a win, a loss, a win, a loss, a win, a win. And
Okay, it's still going up. Do you want me to take the next one, or do you think it's going to doji out again?
you could probably take the next one if you think it's got up pressure. It does.
I don't want to
mean,
lose another one.
Yeah,
but let's
just
see
take
what
it.
it's
I mean,
doing here.
are you trend surfing or not? Just jump in there, man. It's going up.
I mean, we can get these next 2 wins and be done. If it's
I think, yeah. I mean, this one doesn't show any signs of stopping, and it doesn't have any, like, it doesn't have any. It doesn't show a lot of signs of stopping
okay,
in my
Um,
3 minutes. It's just been going up for a long time.
yeah, go ahead.
Are you talking to me?
I know I was talking to my wife. She's about to cut something.
No. Oh, there you go. Apple has a head and shoulders thing is going to tilt resistant level. Apple. Come on, baby.
Go back
Come
up.
on.
Go back up.
Come on, baby. Apple has a head and shoulders. I think it's going to tilt the resistance level. There we go.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, yeah.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
Take another one.
Come on.
Take another one right here.
You ready?
Yeah, do it. Do it. Because even if we lose this, we're going to be fine.
I don't think we're going to lose it. I think this will be our last win here. This will push us over the edge. As long as we get this win. Come on, win.
Look at. Oh, you can't see my screen probably.
I can't.
No. I mean, you can if I move it over there, but
Good call. Thank you. Thank you, Alex. Awkward silence. What- All right, it's still cricking. Like it's.
I still think it might want to go up. It still is going up.
I mean, it's
I don't know what it's going to do.
pulling up,
Just wait.
pulling down,
Come
pulling
on.
up. Yeah, I have a feeling it's going to end on the lower side, but yeah, 9 seconds left. I feel like taking a 180 on this next one just to keep.
Just don't do it.
I'm not going to do it. Oh crap! Now this would be my. This would be my put right here. That went straight into where I would normally take
Oh,
it.
right. So you're at 201.33 still. So we're still good.
Because I'm way overbought. I feel like I should put this. Can I put this?
Yeah, if you want to, go ahead. I mean, it's a ginormous uptrend, but whatever you think, my friend.
It is, but everything's
It did go
down.
down below the level of that green candle, you know.
It did,
And
it cricked.
you still got 45 seconds, so even if this kind of... Oh, hold on. I'm on my live stream. Yeah, I'll be out in a minute. What's going to happen there? You got 30 seconds. So if this ends and just starts going back down, which is our best scenario, you're oversold and you're going out there like that. Let's see. I think it's...
Come on,
I would
go
be
down,
really
go down, go
surprised
down.
if this goes down.
I think it's
it's
going
like-
to go down, but I don't know if it's going to do it in 10 seconds.
No, I think it's going up. This thing is still going up. Right, you
Well,
have
crap.
to go to a
180.
180 trade now.
Yeah, see, it did go red. I was right. Dang it.
I don't think it's going red. I think it's going green.
Or it's going sideways, but no. It's going down, bro. I'm telling you.
Don't chance
Or
it.
it's going to consolidate. I'm not doing anything with it. In fact, I think we should get off this chart now.
Yeah.
We basically just lost those last two wins that we made, but the good news is we're safe.
Well, I mean, you see how fast we can win this? If we would have got in on that earlier and won
Bro,
some more.
yeah, we could win this real fast.
That's what I think we're looking for. I don't think we're actually looking for little wins at a time. I think we're looking for like...
Well, we are, but sometimes we can't
Yeah.
find them. I mean, they ain't there all the time. Tonight, there just hasn't been a lot of them, so we got to take what we can get.
We're still up 90. We're still up 87 cents from where we started.
Are we?
Yeah. I mean, not to be like microscopic, but you know, the thing is we haven't lost any money and we haven't hurt our accounts.
No, we've not been in jeopardy at all. Okay, what about... Well, Tesla's at like a big line, so I don't know. You can look at it, but... Holy crap. ExxonMobil's just been sideways on that white line forever.
Tesla? You think it's going down?
I ain't sure. But look at Citigroup.
It's possible Citigroup's going up.
Going up, I showed down, but
Okay, it could be faking me. It could be like it's gonna... This could be a double cross fake. Oh yeah, that's I don't see like major down pressure, so
it's at a white line, so
it might bounce off that white line and go up, which is what I think it's gonna do. I think it's gonna go up from here, maybe. I can't be sure, but
is Netflix what we were just in on?
yeah.
Is it at like a major line or is it broken everything? It's kind of establishing a line here.
Netflix is kind of going up still.
You think?
Yeah, I would be careful because
Should we
does
call
look
it from
like-
here? Should I, because everything is crossing down though. And my MACD is crossing down right now.
yeah, I mean it's kind of out of line. I would only thing you could do it is call it, but that's not our method. So we're already on a second trade. If you don't think it's gonna tank from here and just go down, which I don't think it's going to.
I don't know that it's going to break that top line though. I'm not saying it's going down. I don't know that I'd be ready to put it or anything, but
In 5 minutes we'll know, or maybe 10 minutes. If it doesn't break that line and starts to head down, it's possible that it tanks.
See,
I
it's
think
like it's wanting to get to that line, but then it can't seem to break it.
Yeah, I don't know.
And the stochastic and MACD are definitely kind of conflicted because MACD was ready to cross down,
Yeah.
stochastic is cricked up. But it's
My
still
pressure
can't-
shows it's going up.
Well, it's what it appears to be here too, but it hasn't quite
It just broke
broken that
above.
line. If it breaks above that, we could maybe pick up 2 wins on the way, 2 or 3.
I mean, you could probably call it at any time at any next candle. If you think it did break that line.
I mean, it's kind of. I want it to get out of that consolidation area.
Yeah,
out of
because
that,
it's now it's starting to go like
yeah.
If it can get above it, like you said. Yeah, it's not sure. And they're conflicted.
Twitter is going up. It's kind of it's at a line, but is it going to break it? Is the question. It kind of is breaking. Yeah,
Yeah,
look at,
Twitter's going up. If you think it's going up, I think
there's
it's
a
going
lot of
up.
lines in the distance. I mean, be sure to watch those.
Well, I mean, it's at a massive line. It's already.
It's retracting like crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, you'd have to really believe it was going up, but it is pulling up. It's crossed over. I mean, it's kind of going up, but I mean, it's pretty jagged. I mean, in my 3-minute, I didn't look at it in yours. Yeah, I mean, who knows? I think it's probably going up. I think you could probably call that candle. But it's been going up. It's been going up a while, so it's like I'm not sure.
I think if anything, it's going down. Right now, it is setting up a classic.
Yeah, you're probably right.
I'm looking
I
at the
mean,
MACD stochastic. Everything right here is textbooks for a put on this next candle, but it also depends on the
on how big it is.
on how
It's
big it is.
yeah, if it's go with your gut, dude, because it's well out of. I mean, its up pressure has been going for long enough to where I mean it's probably over. It's probably over. Yeah.
But this candle's really big, so I don't know. But
Yeah, it's way out of your wheelhouse now. But is it going to cross and go down to the white line?
I mean, it could, but this candle's so big, I'm hesitant to
Yeah,
because it's
well,
the
no.
size of the last 4 candles.
Right, and it's at a line. Yeah.
I could put it now, but
Well, you wait till it goes up because that's probably what it's going to do.
I don't know how far it's going to go up.
Well, you got the MACD about to cross, so I guess this next
Should I
candle.
put it from here?
Yeah, probably. I mean, if you think the MACD is going to cross, yeah, I think it's probably going down, but it could just shoot straight up.
Well, we're about to find out.
All right, yeah. The MACD is going to cross, I think,
I believe the MACD is going to cross.
and if it does on this opening, then you've got your white line. You've got your white line candle. If the MACD crosses right here, which, I mean, it's going to probably because of the candle size.
Because of the candle, but it's going down. I mean, everything shows it's going down. So as long as
There
it's
you go.
going,
It got a little cross on there. I would have taken that if I was doing my MACD double cross. And I might have gotten faked out, but still, I mean, let's see here. In fact, if this next candle, regardless of what this next candle is, as long as we win, you could probably reset to 140, and you could probably take another trade, because I think it's going to go to the white line. You're going
okay. We're
Two
back
oh one
up.
thirty.
So how much?
201.37. Look at this next candle. Watch this next candle, because you've got a MACD cross. You think it's going to the white line?
Do you?
Just
At
look
this
at
point,
it.
I don't know that I would enter that now.
Okay.
But
Yeah. Look at it. There you go. I don't Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any 3-minute confirmation on that, but we're at 201.37, so we're still up. We still haven't broken our level yet. And this is not one of those ones that I have like this massive confirmation of downtrend for you, so I can't.
Oh crap! We're late to the party, but look at Apple.
Well, Apple. Yeah, did Apple cross and finally go down for a while?
But look, dude, it might actually go up and then go back down. I don't know though. It's all very oversold. It's coming out of oversold. The MACD just crossed out of oversold.
Apple's ridiculous. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen. You think it's going up? I don't know I can't read Apple tonight. I don't think Apple's. Do you think Apple's going to go straight up from
touch
here?
this white line, and it's just gonna. It's just gonna touch the white line and then dump it like a prom date and go right back down.
You could be right. We could take the next candle as a put. In terms of my thing, you're kind of in the middle. It's been going down. It's down. I don't know.
But I don't know. It could just.
It could break
blow
it
through there.
Yeah, it could. I have no confirmation on what it's going to do. Like, it's hard for me to tell. You know, we're just blind here because it's at a line, and it's at a line, and it's kind of cricking up.
Yeah, see, it touched it, and
if it goes back down from here and like really goes back down, you might win.
That's a nice clean stair step, sort of, but
it's going to end. I think it's going to end.
Yeah. See, here's the moment of truth. See, it's red right now, but is it going to just flip and go back up? Keep going? I feel like it could. Or is it just going to... Everything's pointing straight up, so...
Yeah, but in the 3-minute, this chart looks insane. It doesn't have any real specific... It doesn't really say... Like in the 1 minute, yeah, it does look good. But it also is at a massive line. So I could see I could see this thing flopping down, like just tanking
easily.
right now.
Yeah.
And it's all in the middle on the 3 minute, so it doesn't... It's at the biggest line of its life. In fact, if it breaks this line, I should probably just start calling every candle after this one.
Well, do you want me to take the next one, or you think it's going to break? Because it's only one candle past it. So
Yeah, don't do it now.
Okay.
Don't do it now because it's at the line right now. See, it's at that other line. It broke over that one line. It's at this other line, and if it goes above here, I'll know because my MACD will cross.
The only problem is if it does, it's already 6 candles in. It'll be 7 candles in by then.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it'll
but
be
your
about due for a red one.
But your MACD is in a good position.
But it is just one candle past the white line, so
yeah, it
that's
could just totally tank.
it could just totally go down. I don't know. And the stochastic is already overbought, so
The problem with this
decided
is
to go back up.
my 3-minute candle is about to cross MACD on the upside. It's broken a lot of levels. You know,
You want me to take it?
call it.
You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh crap!
No, just wait for it. My MACD is going to cross, and it's going to go up
There it
past
goes.
that.
It's going up. It's already in the money.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of weird because it's kind of going through all these levels of resistance, and the computer would probably be putting every single one of those, and it would be losing them all.
Yeah, but it is going up now. I mean, it's like,
It's at another strong.
how
line.
ironic would it be if we win our last 2 trades on this chart that we've kind of like been just staring at all night, thinking, ugh.
Okay, my MACD is going to cross.
Okay, that went up with a lot of force, dude. It's well into the money with 20 seconds left. So
Yeah, just take another call. My MACD is going to cross, I think.
it is.
Yeah, I think so. You can wait if you want. If you don't feel it, you can wait. If you think it's going up, which I do, then You can take it.
All right, we're gonna take it and see what happens because we just need this one last candle and we'll have our wins. I think.
Nearly, yeah. Yeah, dude. And we could, you could keep calling it until you lose, too, after this
Well,
win.
but if
maybe.
we lose the next one, then we would not have.
Right. And this one might be a narrow win. So maybe you don't want to call it again. But it's, my MACD just crossed.
No, it's going up, bro. It's going up.
Yeah, no, my MACD
confident.
crossed, and my moving averages are getting ready to cross. So this is one I would have called in my 2-minute plan or 3-minute plan. The computer is putting every single one, and that's what I told you it would do, because it's every time
Right.
it hits a level, it's like put, and you just be losing your butt. Come on.
Oh,
Come
no,
on.
no.
You have
Come on,
9 seconds.
come on.
Come on now, man.
Come
Come
on, go
on,
back up.
man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Make this right. Make this right. Come on, man.
Oh, crap. Dang it. All right, I'm going to put this.
Well, if you think,
Can I make it $1.80 just to win it?
if you want to go to a second trade, that's crazy, but no, don't.
Okay, I won't.
I
All
think
right,
it's
you want
going
me
to call
it?
anyway. I think it's going to call anyway, and just make it keep with the plan. My moving averages are going to cross. I don't
Well,
know.
it's
if
at a
you-
line. That's why. It's at a pretty strong line, a real strong line right now.
well, it's heading up, so
yeah, but
my-
look way back in the distance, dude. There are a lot of levels right there, but
yeah,
but it's kind of breaking them. So do you want me to go ahead and call it again?
I would call it again at 140. Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens here.
I mean, that's a big, yeah.
That's a big butt candle right there.
But it's about to cross over, so it could retract. I mean,
Could, but it could keep going up.
let's see, do we have 2 wins there at the last one?
Now we are right now on this trade. We're back to almost where we started.
Yeah, right, yeah. 2 wins on that, and a loss.
It's still going up.
The thing is okay.
It'd be nice
Yeah,
if it would stay up. This is not looking good.
25 seconds. It's like we got that one red candle. You could probably call it again. Just put in $1.80 and just call it again. Or you can wait, because I mean my moving averages are crossing.
Like I said, it's at a heavy line.
It's at a
so
heavy
I
line
don't
too.
know.
So let's watch it. Let's watch it win.
Let's hope it goes up and
Let's
wins.
watch it win.
but-
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
I think it kind of
Oh,
lost.
we got a payout, dude. We got a payout. It won.
Oh, it won.
Dude. It won.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
freaking won.
Who we need you? Who your mama?
Dude, I don't know how.
I don't know how it won either, dude.
I don't know. I don't know how to explain that, but look,
Okay,
Go ahead and-
202.21.
this apple is sour today. Yeah, it has kind of been, but fortunately we got some. Okay, so what is your pay at? What are you at?
202.21. So we're like
How
really
far
one,
away? How much exactly?
We're
is that?
202.21. We need 203.25. So we need like $1. Yeah, we need one more trade.
One more trade. Okay.
One more win. But now, I just don't know. Apple, yeah, dude. Apple is like the worst chart of the night. I mean, but that was a good
That
win.
was a
though.
good little streak there, but
That was a good uptrend, and it shows that it was.
is it still
well,
going up or what's it still
Well, dude,
doing
here's
now?
the thing. My moving average is just crossed. So you could probably call it from down here. Well,
See,
I'd
it looks
wait.
to me like it's going to the white line right now. Where it's at right now, it looks like it's
Oh.
going to be going to the white line.
I mean, maybe if it's.
I
if it's a
go to the 1 minute and see what I'm
I'm
seeing.
looking at it in 1 minute.
I'm telling
I
you,
just
that
don't.
is going down to the white line.
I don't believe it though. You can't do that because my momentum is up. So I mean, if it goes to the white line, it would be totally contradicting
You
the
might
momentum.
be right. You might be right.
I mean, it's possible. It's so far from the white line though, and it's been going up.
I just
for
feel
so
like
long.
it wants to pull down, dude. I'm seeing it. It
I know.
has so
I
much
get
down
what you're
potential.
saying. I get what you're saying.
See,
But my moving averages have crossed, and unless they are just, unless it's just over, unless the
they
up
are
pressure
over,
is just
dude.
over.
They're over, man. Screw them. They're wrong. They're lying to you. telling
I
you
don't
crap
know,
that
man.
ain't true,
I
dude.
don't
They
know,
got the
'cause
longest nose. They're a longer nose than Pinocchio right now. Look at that, dude. Told you. We'd had our win there, brother.
I don't know, man. I still don't know because it's not.
I'm not
the
taking it
your-
now. It's too
your-
late. It's
your
spent,
MACD
dude.
is not overbought. Your MACD is in the middle still, and my pressure's up. So it could hit this line right here because it's at another line. It could bounce off this line and go straight up.
Right. No, I was saying for that one candle, like it was a
Yeah,
turnaround.
like
temporarily.
that one red candle maybe, and you felt it. Maybe it could have won. I don't know. My moving averages are kind of uncrossing right now.
Mm-hmm. Of course they are, because it's going down like I said it would. I should have put it from up there. I knew. I felt it. I
Wow.
felt it.
Keep your feelings to yourself. I think this is a terrible chart to be on, really.
Maybe at this point.
I feel like I'm sitting crooked, and I feel like my whole neck is crooked. That's what I feel like.
I am sitting crooked, and my whole neck is crooked.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I still almost have nothing to tell you in terms of big candles heading out of the direction of. I'm actually about ready to go to sleep, man. Finish
Intel, I
this.
think it's going to go up.
We should probably just stop now since we're up, and I mean, it didn't work out quite the way we planned it. I thought we were just going to find us a nice little waterfall and win 3 or 4 trades and be done. But we
Okay,
have went-
dude. All right, here's what could happen. McDonald's, dude. McDonald's is absolutely a call, and I could win it. Can I do it?
Yeah, if you think so.
Okay, hold on. I want it to dip a little bit.
I mean, it's a downtrend.
Okay, there we go. No, it's heading up, bro. It's heading up. Trust me. This is going to be a win, dude. If this does not win,
Okay, that looks like a pretty good.
it's heading up. I see the up pressure in it, and it's all swinging up to that white line. Dude, I'm telling you, I think this is going to win. If this doesn't win, I will.
No, you're fine. It might not win, but you're fine. It could win. I see now what you're saying. Yeah. If you want to take another one, go ahead.
I'm not even saying I need another. We only need this one. It's the only
You're
one
right.
we need.
You're right. You're right. That was a good win, dude. I mean, part of this whole thing is I wanted this to be about you having the freedom to trade the way you know and just ask me about certain
that
pressures.
candle ended. That candle ended. This one's going to go up. Come on.
I
come
hope
on.
to God it doesn't like fly down there.
Tank, yeah. I think it's going to go up, bro. I think it's going to go up. It's only got to hold up for another 5 seconds.
There it is. There's the win. I'm going to give you a happy dance.
There you
Good
go.
job. Boom. That's how it's done.
See, that is my classic. Did you see Did you see what I was seeing there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. When I look in the 3 minutes, it looked like crap. I looked at it in the 1 minute and I was immediately like, oh yeah, I see that. That's perfect.
Yeah.
The 3 minutes weren't giving me like a majorly conflicting.
See, I think, dude, if we came in and I looked for those, I could have had this one an hour and a half ago.
Maybe yeah, but some nights, dude,
I don't know. I don't get a lot of turnarounds on those when I find really good ones, like that one and the other one that I won before. I just don't think
So we are at level 2 now. We have to do
what I liked
538.
about that is we weren't in danger at all.
Yeah, that's what I mean, dude. And it took a while, but dude, that doesn't matter to me at this point. I mean,
We were
we
not
never were
really in
once
danger.
in any like real danger. We never even went to a third trade. We never went
No,
to a
we
third
didn't.
trade.
Never did.
So, I mean, just if you were doing it the way you're saying it, you'd probably be at a 4th or 5th trade here and there. I mean, because you just can't
I don't
see.
think so. I don't think so. I mean, I don't
Well,
usually.
if you
go
want
that
to try it tomorrow, then let's just do that. I'll just sit here and talk to you.
We
I
had
think
2 wins like that just now. We won 2 wins tonight on my strategy. At least 2. Maybe it was 3. You may not
You
have
ready?
counted for much because
All right. And so let's end the live stream because I got to talk to my son. We're going to go play some Fortnite. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. We're going to be at level 2 tomorrow night, and maybe we'll give Todd a go at it and just so he can sit there and make up his own trades, and I'll just sit here and dab every time he wins. All right. We'll see you on the next one.
have a good night.